one living area. Now this living area is extremely spacious. The kitchen again is extremely spacious. As you can see, the master bedroom is much more spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas. Today we will be doing the actual sample flat tour of R1 Diamond Towers by R1 Developers. The project is located in Financial District, Hyderabad. Now before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project. As you can see, I am standing exactly outside of the marketing office and behind me is the land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform, your number is shared with a lot of brokers, creating chaos. But with Housey, you get connected directly with the developer. So the first one is the project overview. This project is built on 7.36 acres of land parcel, featuring twin 52-story towers offering 6 basement plus ground. Residential options include spacious 3 and 4 BHK apartments. Coming to the amenities. The project provides you with premium amenities like Diamond Clubhouse, which is 50,000 square feet with leisure and wellness features, swimming pool and infinity pool, gymnast and fitness zone. Then there is indoor games and recreation areas, which includes game room and lounge, kids play area and activity zones, multi-purpose or banquet hall areas. Coming to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. It is located in Financial District, Hyderabad. You see, this side of the road connects you to the outer ring road. Now, the nearby landmarks are the outer ring road is just 1 meter away. Gachibowli are 10 minutes away. Raidurg metro station is only 20 minutes away and airport is 23 minutes away. Hello everyone, now I'll be giving you the actual sample flat tour for R1 Diamond for 4 BHK, and the configuration for 4 BHK here is 3,935 square feet. Let's start the video. As you can see, the door here is given proper lock systems. And as we enter, we come first into one living area. Now this living area is extremely spacious. You can add your sofa, you can make your guest sit here or however you like. This side you can see you have been given proper electric units. So you can place your TV this side, you can add extra storage here. And right in front of this living area, you will find on the opposite side the dining area. The dining area space again is extremely spacious. And in front of it, there is another living area. Now this living area again is extremely spacious, and every flooring here in the house is properly vitrified glazing flooring, as you can see. Now in front of this other living area, you will find your balcony. When it comes to this balcony, it is completely different. It is extremely huge. You can add your extra storage, your plants, and on the other side, you can turn it into a sitting area as well. And because the balcony is huge, you have an extremely big side view from here, where you can get enough sunlight and enough ventilation. Now, right next to your dining corner, there's a small space given for storage. And beside it, you will have your puja corner. Now, opposite to this, you have a common washroom, the powder room. This is again here with proper ventilation system and proper flooring. Right opposite to it is our kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen again is extremely spacious, comes with proper lighting, proper storage system. There's enough space that you can add a lot of storage areas. You can place your oven here, your fridge, And the kitchen again is given a window system as well for proper ventilation. Now, the kitchen here also has a dry balcony. So you can place your washing machine this side, and it also has another ventilation system because it's open. Now we will be entering into our first bedroom. This is our first bedroom. This bedroom again comes with proper electric unit placed at each side. And on the other side, you have been given a proper storage system space. And on the other side of the room, you can have spacious windows for proper sunlight and ventilation system and a great view. This room has an attached washroom. The washroom is again extremely spacious, comes with proper flooring system and proper transparent shower system. Now we will be moving forward with our second bedroom. As you can see, as of now the room has been turned into a theatre room. It has been given proper storage units and enough space for you to turn it however you like. If you want, you can turn this large bedroom into your own room as well instead of a theatre room. And the best part, it also comes with an attached balcony. As you can see, this balcony again is spacious and has great view from here as well for enough ventilation. Now this room again comes with an attached washroom. The attached washroom for the second bedroom again is spacious, comes with transparent shower system and proper ventilation system. Now we'll be moving into our third bedroom. As you can see, the third bedroom is extremely spacious because not only does it have a proper window system that side, but this room also has a walk-in closet. As you can see, the walk-in closet for this third bedroom is extremely spacious. There is been given for you a proper area for your storage, or you can turn this however you like. And then it also has an attached bathroom. The attached bathroom again has proper flooring, has proper shower system and proper ventilation. Now, before we move into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you what exactly Housey does. You see, on Housey's website, you can notice that we actually give you 360 virtual tour. You will also get a sample flat tour. We also give you proper location tour. Not just that, but we also give you exclusive pricing details, EMI, down payment, everything available on our website. All you have to do is just click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below. And if you like the project or you want to book a site visit, you can also get that through Housey's website. Moving forward to the master bedroom. Now, as you can see, the master bedroom is much more spacious than all the other rooms. Not just that, but this corner of the room again has been given a different space, so you can add your extra storage this side It has electric units as well here. And then in front, you can notice huge window system compared to the other rooms. So which will be nice for proper ventilation and sunlight. Now again, the master bedroom comes with proper walk-in system for closet. You can notice that the closet for master bedroom is much more larger than your third bedroom. You can add your extra storage all around the area. There's a small corner left here as well. So you can add any appliances because there's an electric unit given here. And the master bedroom again comes with an attached washroom. The attached washroom is again spacious, has proper shower system and ventilation system. So everyone, this was the sample flat tour for R1 Diamonds. Hope you liked the video. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe to Housing.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.